Welcome to another how-to by Schlagel Manufacturing. Rapid Till. Every machine comes pre-assembled with factory settings. To get started, drop your shank to the desired height and test the factory settings in your soil conditions. If your seed bed is not the desired depth, raise the backpackers. If you're too deep, lower the backpackers. If you have voids in your seed bed, drop the wavy coulters. For faster tilling speed with debris, adjust the row cleaners to the flattest setting. For slower tilling speeds, adjust the row cleaners to the widest setting. For moderate tilling speeds, leave at the factory settings. You'll know when your machine is set correctly when you're at the desired depth, have no voids, and have a firm seed bed. Schlagel Manufacturing. By farmers, for farmers.